Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study for a contract law exam. First, focus on the foundational elements of contract formation, such as offer, acceptance, and consideration. It's crucial to grasp these basic building blocks. Next, differentiate between various contract types, like bilateral versus unilateral agreements. Finally, get comfortable with common defenses that can invalidate a contract, including mistake or misrepresentation. This strong base is essential for success. Once you have the basics down, dive into case briefing. This helps you understand how legal principles are applied in real-world scenarios. Then, master the IRAC method, issue, rule, application, conclusion, which is a critical framework for analyzing legal problems and structuring your exam answers. This systematic approach will ensure you address all necessary components of a question, demonstrating a thorough understanding of the law. Consistent practice is key. Regularly tackle practice questions and hypotheticals to hone your analytical skills and identify areas needing more attention. Develop a detailed outline of your course material. This serves as a valuable study tool and quick reference during exams, especially if they are open book. Also, consider joining a study group to discuss challenging concepts and gain different perspectives, which can deepen your understanding. On exam day, time management is crucial. Allocate a specific amount of time for each question based on its point value and stick to it. Read every question thoroughly to ensure you identify all the issues and sub-issues presented, as professors often look for comprehensive analysis. Remember to stay hydrated throughout the exam. A good water bottle can help. You can find a link to a great one, along with other helpful deals, in the video description below. Good luck with your studies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.